Good evening, everyone. Welcome to Chital Patal News Channel. Now we are in Vasantappa block.
ಏನ್ ಸುಡ್ಗಾಡ್ ಬಿಸ್ಲಾಗ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದ ಅಮ್ಮ ಅಮ್ಮ
ಏನು ನಿಂದು
ಕುಡಿಯಕ್ಕೆ ಏನಾದ್ರು ತಣ್ಣಗಿರೋದು ಕೊಡಮ್ಮ.
ಕುಡಿಯಕ್ಕ ಬೆಳಿಗ್ಗೆನು ಏನು ತಿಂದಿಲ್ಲ, ಅದೇ ಜ್ಯೂಸ್ ಕುಡ್ಕೊಂಡೋದೆ, ಮತ್ತೆ ಕುಡಿಯಕ್ಕೆ ಹೇಳ್ತಿದ್ಯಾ? ಏನು ಬಂದಿರೋದು ನಿನ್ಗೆ?
ಹೊಟ್ಟೆನೆ ಹಸುವಾಗಲ್ಲ ಕಣಮ್ಮ.
ಹೊಟ್ಟೆ ಹಸುವಾಗಲ್ಲ? ಯಾಕೆ?
ಏನು ಗ್ರೇಪ್ ಜ್ಯೂಸ್ ಕುಡಿತೀಯ? ನಾನು ಮನೆ ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಹೋಗ್ಲಾ?
ಬೇಡ ಬಾರೋ, ಕೊಡ್ತೀನಿ ಬಾ, ಕೂತ್ಕೋ ಬಾ.
Kapha dosha will be vitiated. Hence, the kapha should be controlled quickly by the strong emesis therapies like Vamana, Nasya and other therapies. Also in this ritu, the dietary fire or the anila gets diminished and give rise to the other diseases. It should be cured quickly. The person should make use of the beverages like Arista, Asava, Sidhu, Madrika, Madhava, etc. Among this, Madrika, the fermented grape juice. It is good to heart. It is not so hot in potency, it is sweet in taste. It also slightly increases the level of Pitta, Vata or Anila. It also cures the diseases like diabetes, hemorrhoids, worms and other aspects.
Hi Chuchu baby. ಚಿನ್ನಮ್ಮ ಅವರೇ
ಓ ಶಾಂತಾಬಾಯಿ ಅವರೇ, ಏನು ಇಷ್ಟ ದಿನ ಆದ್ಮೇಲೆ ಬಂದಿದ್ದೀರಾ?
ಅದು ಮ್ಯಾಂಗೋ ಸೀಸನ್ ಅಲ್ವಾ, ಮ್ಯಾಂಗೋ ತಗೊಂಡು ಬಂದಿದ್ದೀನಿ, ತಗೊಂಡು.
ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿತ್ತು. ನಮ್ಮಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂದು ತೋಟ ಇದೆ, ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿತ್ತು.
It is taken in the two forms, ripened form and unripened form. Ripened form has two rasas mainly, Madhura rasa and Amla rasa. Madhura rasa which benefits for increasing strength and energy in the body, which calms the mind, and Amla rasa balances pH in the body, and also second one is unripened. It is predominant of Kasaya and Amla rasa. Kasaya rasa increase moisture in the body, also reduce inflammatory responses in the body. It also helps in tightening of tissues. And Amla rasa which maintain pH of the body, as well as increase the digestion as well as appetite of the body.
ಈ ಬಿಸಿಲಿಗೆ ಹೋದ್ರೆ ನಾವು ಫುಲ್ ಟ್ಯಾನ್ ಆಗ್ಬಿಡ್ತೀವಿ. ಇದನ್ನ ಹೋಗ್ಸ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋದಕ್ಕೆ ನಾವು ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ತಗೋಬೇಕು, ಅರ್ಶಿನ ತಗೋಬೇಕು, ನೀರು ತಗೋಬೇಕು. ಅದ್ರ ಕ್ಲೀನ್ ಮಾಡೋದು ನಂಗೆ ಐಡಿಯಾ ಇದೆ. ನಂಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಾಯ್ತು. ಗಾಂಧೀಜಿ ಮಾತಾಡ್ಬೇಕು, ಕೆಟ್ಟದನ್ನ ಕೇಳಬಾರ್ದು, ಕೆಟ್ಟದನ್ನ ಮಾತಾಡಬಾರ್ದು, ಕೆಟ್ಟದನ್ನ ನೋಡಬಾರ್ದು.
Chandana. Chandana is Laghu, Rukshaguna and Shita in Virya. Because of this, fresh sandalwood paste works brilliantly over the skin issues, and that too which lack luster due to the sweltering heat. Chandana has to be used along with the Karpura, Kumkuma and Aguru and has to be anointed over the body before taking snana. It is having a cooling effect as well as it is very good for the skin issues. This is Lepa of Chandana along with Kumkuma, Aguru and Karpura. It has to be anointed over the body before taking bath.
ಇದು ಜೇನುತುಪ್ಪ ಕಪ್ಪ ಆಗಿದೆ ಇಲ್ಲ, ಇದು ಒಳ್ಳೇದಾಗುತ್ತೆ. ಈ ಕಾಲದಲ್ಲಿ ಒಳ್ಳೇದು ಇಲ್ಲ, ಇದು ತಗೋ, ಈ ಕಾಲದಲ್ಲಿ ಇದು ಒಳ್ಳೇದು, ಒಳ್ಳೇದಾಗುತ್ತೆ.
In Ayurveda, honey is considered as an important diet because it removes excess kapha from the body. It also has many uses like balancing doshas. Honey's sweet taste and warming nature pacifies vata, whereas hygroscopic nature helps vata's dryness. Honey's subtle sweetness also helps calm pitta's fiery tendencies. Spring is the peak time for honey production because it is the blooming season. Bees maximize their honey stores before the flower fades.
मैडम नमस्ते, वसंतप्ಪ है, ये वसंतप्ಪ ब्लॉक है.
ಇದು ಇನ್ನಿ ಟೈಮ್ ಅಲ್ವಾ ಕಾಫಿ ಕುಡಿಯೋಣ ಬನ್ನಿ.
ಕಾಫಿ ಎಲ್ಲ ಯಾಕೆ, ಹೀಟ್ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ, ಬನ್ನಿ ಕಬ್ನಲ್ಲಿ ಕುಡಿಯೋಣ.
Now I'm at the sugarcane store where we get the Ikshu Rasa or the sugarcane juice. Being guru or heavy, it is hard to digest, and having anchas or snigdha nature and laxative like properties, it increases the kapha and urine. With inherent properties of being sweet or madura and cold in potency, it also helps in curing many kinds of bleeding disorders. While we all directly consume sugarcane juice from these stores, it is also important for us to be aware of few things like whenever juice is prepared, the roots, the shoots and worm infested parts, which are basically not needed, everything is crushed together and it is all mixed together. The dirt, unwanted particles, everything is mixed together. So because of this, whenever you are consuming at such places, it is important for you to check once before taking, or else it will lead to constipation.
We are talking about wheat. It is in improves digestion, as it have the nature of cooling nature, so it can be used. It is used in the form of flour, as you can see here. And next we are going to discuss about the meat of a deserted animal, which may be lamb, camel, which has rich in nutrition, proteins, which gives us the effect of energy. Next we are going to discuss about yava or barley, which improves our digestion and relieves us from the heat.
Ayurveda, Goduma is considered as one of the important ducks. According to Ayurveda, Goduma is Vrishya, natural aphrodisiac, Shitaha, cold, Guru, heavy to digest, Digdaha, unconscious or oily, Vata Pittaha means balances Vata and Pittaha, Sandhikaraha heals fractures and wounds, Madhura, sweet, Saraha promotes and heals the bowel movement, and Patyaya can be consumed on the daily basis. Nandi Mukti is the variety of wheat which can be also said as Shitaha, Kashaya, Madhuraha and Lagu, which means cold, astringent, sweet, light to digest.
This Ritu, practicing of mild exercise is recommended, which has several benefits. Few of them are it lowers heart disease such as coronary artery and heart attacks. It improves brain function, it enhances immunity, physical fitness helps to weight loss, it leads to longer life.
ವಸಂತಕಾಲ ಬಂದಾಗ ಮಾವು ಚಿಗುರಲೇಬೇಕು, ಕೋಗಿಲೆ ಹಾಡಲೇಬೇಕು, ಕಂಕಣ ಕೂಡಿ ಬಂದಾಗ ಮದುವೆ ಆಗಲೇಬೇಕು, ಮಂಗಳ ವಾದ್ಯ ಮೊಳಗಲೇಬೇಕು.
Thank you, Maruti sir.